Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Confidence and I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Today we are going to be making akara. Yes, akara, and you can see the way I'm trying to wash my beans. The perfect way to wash your beans and the easiest is by using your blender. Just put it in your blender, use the pulse and just peel off the skin of your beans. That is the easiest way for you to wash your beans. No need of pounding, taking much of your time. You can see I already blend and peel off the back. I used the pulse, so now I'm trying to wash off the peel so that we can get going. This is as easy as it is. You can see the skins are already falling off. Easy to wash your beans. Once you use your blender to peel off the skin, it's just easy to wash it. How many times did I didn't wash it for long, like 4 to 5 times I washed this beans, and you can see everything is set. This is me peeling my onion. The only thing you need for your akara to be perfect is enough onion and little pepper. Enough onion, emphasis of enough onion and little pepper. You don't need much for your akara, you see. Enough onion and little pepper. That will do for your akara. You see, I'm trying to blend. I poured it into my blender. It's as easy as it is. Pour it. And if you want your akara to come out perfectly well, you need little water. Little water, because if you add too much water, your akara will come out runny. It will be watery. This is me blending it. You can see the water I added in it is not too much. It is perfect for this quantity of akara I'm about to make. Look at the batter. The batter came out perfectly fine. And in this stage, if you want your akara to come out well, you really need to turn it very well. I don't know if you've been to all these women that fry at night. Those ones using mortar and pestle. You see the way they used to stir it so that the akara will come out fluffy. This is what you're going to do here. You're going to stir it very well, like you're going to turn this your batter very, very well till it becomes fluffy, smooth. That way your akara will come out very, very well. The mold, like the shape of your akara will turn out perfect. That is what you need to do. Beat it very well, like turn it very well. My oil is hot already. I added that onion to infuse the flavor or the aroma into my oil. Just look at the way this akara is falling off my spoon. Once I put it, because it is fluffy, it just falls off. I don't need to stress about it. It just falls off. Once you do it like this, your akara will come out perfect. You don't need any other thing to make your akara look perfect. Just look at the shape of this akara. Look at how beautiful it is. If there's anything like akara being beautiful, but look at the shape of this akara. Came out very, very nice. Just look at it. For you to make a perfect and good akara and tasty akara, you need enough onion, little pepper and salt. And make sure you don't add too much salt when frying your akara. Just look at how beautiful this akara is looking. Very, in fact, with your eye alone, you will tell that this akara is delicious, that this akara tastes good. This is me putting in my second batch. Just look at the way it is falling out from my spoon. Just look at, I just want you to see that. The reason is this: I turn this akara batter very, very well for it to be fluffy. That is why it is falling off my spoon like that. Just take a look at this akara. Just take it. If I should serve you this akara early morning Saturday with pap, like you're going to thank me. You're going to thank me like 5 times throughout that whole day. Look at how the shape of this akara came out. Just look at it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post food recipes here and the rest of them as well. Just look at the shape of this akara. Look at how perfect this akara came out. Let's check the inside and see. Wow, just look at that. Just look at how perfect this akara came out. Very, very good. The shape, everything, the color, it did not burn. Everything is just perfect. Please give this video a like. Thank you for stopping by to watch me. Bye.